Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session I am going to discuss about the polygons. In our last class I have discussed about the curve and its type, right? So in today's session I'll be discussing about what is polygon actually. Okay, so what are the types you can find in the polygons, and after getting the proper knowledge of polygon I'll be solving exercise 4.2 question number 3. Alright, so what is polygon? Let us have a knowledge of this, proper knowledge. A polygon is a closed figure bounded by three or more line segments that intersect exactly to form a closed curve sides. Okay, you can see the figure here. All these are the examples of the polygon, right? So in order to form a polygon, at least three sides are required. If the three line segments intersect each other at some point, and if that is closed, it should not be open. If it is open, then that is not considered as a polygon. Okay, so a polygon is a closed figure bounded by three or more line segment. It may be triangle. So the three line segment, the smallest three line segment, when intersect with each other, if it is a closed figure, then we will consider it as a triangle. Now if it is more than three, suppose four side, then quadrilateral may include square, rhombus, kite, trapezium, which I have told you in the last class, right? If there is more than three side, like if suppose more than four, like five, then it is considered as pentagon, right? Hexagon, heptagon, which we will discuss in the later class, but for now this is a type of a polygon. Okay, so a polygon is a closed figure bounded by three or more line segments that intersect exactly to form a closed curve. So you understood that in our last class, also in exercise 4.2 1 part D, we have done two questions, that is D and E. That those were the closed curve, that is triangle one, and another is the quadrilateral, which was trapezium. So these two figures are polygon, nothing but a polygon. It is a closed curve. Okay, next let us learn more about polygon. A polygon is two-dimension geometric figure that has a finite number of sides. So it has got fixed number of sides. Okay, it is not like that. If you have if you have two side, if you have two line segment and you join or intersect, it is forming a polygon. It is not like that. It is two-dimensional geometrical figure like like triangle, quadrilateral, or rectangle in a form of rectangle, square. Okay, so these are all the two-dimensional figure, but cuboid, all are three-dimensional geometrical figure. Okay, so finite number of sides they have. The sides of the polygon are made of straight line segment. You can see here they are made of a straight line segment, right? They're straight line segment. There's all this case. These are made up of straight line segment connected to each other end to end. So they are connected end to end. From here to here they are connected. From here to here they are connected. End to end their connections are there. The line segment of a polygons are called the sides. So this line segment, every line segment has got its name called side. So that's what I'm saying, sides or edges. The point where two line segment meet is called vertex. So you know that also. This is called the vertex. So let me draw with the green. This is called the vertex where they are meeting, the two line segment. The two end point where they are meeting are called the edge, vertex or the corner. Henceforth an angle is formed. In each case angle is forming, you can see, right? But in case of but in case of circle there is no angle. Okay, there is a difference. Henceforth an angle is formed. An example of the polygon is a triangle with three sides. Not only triangle, quadrilateral, which includes square, rhombus, kite, right? Next, a circle is a plane figure but is not considered as polygon. So you need to remember that even we have said that polygon is a curve, but circle being a curve is not polygon, because a polygon has got an angle but circle doesn't have an angle because it is a curve shape. Okay, and does not have sides or angles, because the circle is not made up of line segment, it doesn't have any sides, it is a curve shape. Okay, so therefore we can say that we can say all the polygons. Okay, We can say that all the polygons are curved, but all the curves are not polygon. Okay, that is the main thing. We can say that all the polygons are curved. Yes, all the polygons, triangles are curved, quadrilaterals are curved, but all curve are not polygon. Why? Because all curve, suppose a circle is not a polygon because it doesn't have any side. If there is no side, no angles are there. So this is the funda. Okay. Now let us start solving exercise 4.2. So the question is, draw any polygon and set its interior. So you have to draw any polygon. If you draw a circle over here, then you will be getting 0 marks, like a circle, because I have already said that circle is not a polygon. Circle is just a closed curve. Even triangle is a closed curve. Both are similar over there, but the difference is circle is not a polygon, but triangle is a polygon. Okay, so now if I have to draw any polygon, so I'll draw my best figure, that is the triangle. If I have to set this, I will set this like this. Okay, if you want to go for another figure for the polygon, come on, yes, you can draw like this, 4-sided figure. Set it with the blue color, like this. Okay, if you understand the meaning of polygon, then you can do it in a very easy manner. All right, proceeding to the next question, number 4. Consider a given figure. So here it is, here the figure is. Consider the given figure and answer the question. Number A is it a curve? So is this figure a curve? Yes, in every part there is a line segment, and this line segment are bent. These lines are bent, and if there is a bent or a clinch, if you see, then yes, this is a curve. Yes, number A is, it is a curve. Why? Because in every corner you can see the bending. Over here also the bending is there. So in curve figure, I have already told you that wherever there is a bending, wherever there is a change in a direction, then this will be considered as a curve. Okay, next, number B, is it closed? So is this figure closed? So what do you say? Yes, it is a curve. Yes, it is a closed curve. Why? Because there you cannot see any end point opening. There is, all the end points are joined, all the end points are intersected, so it is a closed curve. Okay, proceeding to the last question from this exercise, and last question for today's session also, that is question number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. Number A, a closed curve that is not a polygon. So circle is the best example. A closed curve which is not a polygon. What I have said, a circle is a closed curve, triangle is a closed curve, but triangle is a polygon, but circle is not a polygon, because it doesn't have any side, it doesn't have any angle. So the best answer of the A is circle. Next, an open curve made up entirely of the line segment. An open curve entirely made up of line segment. Come on, this is an open curve which is entirely made up of line segment, right? So number C, a polygon with 2 sides, you have to do it yourself. Come on. Okay, I made you understand about polygon. If this is possible, come on, give me the answer. Okay, so this much for today's student. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.